Ask Jesus one question, but you lose 10 years off your lifetime. You get $10,000, but your house will smell like bacon grease for 3 months. Play Fortnite for the first time again with Nika30, but the first person you see when you click share, and then more goes to jail for life. You gain a button that gives you $1 million every time you press it, but every time you press it, 1 million random humans are thrown into a black hole. All workouts are 10 times more effective, but all meals have 20 times more calories. Make $1,000 a day, but you get jump scared at a random time once per day.